Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about the topic electromagnetic waves and wave optics. The phenomenon of Faraday's electromagnetic induction concludes that a changing magnetic field at a point with the time produces an electric field at that point. Maxwell in 1865 pointed out that there is a summary in nature. Changing the electric field with the time at a point produces a magnetic field at that point, another field. This idea led Maxwell to conclude that the variation of electric and magnetic fields perpendicular to each other produces magnetic disturbance in space. These disturbances have the properties of wave and propagate through space without any material medium. These waves are called electromagnetic waves. The electric and magnetic fields perpendicular to each other. How to produce a electromagnetic disturbance in space. That's called electromagnetic waves. The electromagnetic waves, these are waves in which electric and magnetic fields are mutually perpendicular to each other, as well as they is perpendicular to propagation of waves. Next, the speed of electromagnetic waves. The speed of electromagnetic waves is given by V is equal to 1 by root of mu naught epsilon naught. Here V is equal to 1 by root of mu m epsilon m. Mu naught is the permeability of free space. Okay, next epsilon naught is the permeability of free space. Here V is equal to 1 by mu m em. Here permittivity of medium, permittivity of free space. Mu naught is the permeability of free space. Mu naught is the permeability of free space. This value is equal to 4 by 10 power minus 7 Henry per meter. Epsilon is the permittivity of free space. This value is equal to 8.857 into 10 power minus 12 Newton meter per second minus 1. Okay, next here, the velocity of electromagnetic waves V is equal to 1 by root of mu naught epsilon naught. Here substituting the value, mu naught value 4 by 10 power minus 7, epsilon value 8.857 into 10 power minus 12. Here this find out the value is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. This value is equal to the speed of light. Light speed என்ன இருக்கோ அதே சேம் ஸ்பீடில் electromagnetic waves travel பண்ணுது. How to apply? Here this value applying இந்த 4 into 3.14 into 8.857 into 10 power minus 19. Okay, next here 4 into 3.1 8.7 multiply பண்ணோம்னா this value 111.156 into 10 power minus 19. Okay, next number minus 19 power வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், எப்படி பவர் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்க்கும்போது ஆக்சுவல் 10 power 8 மாற்றும்போது ரிமூவ் த ஸ்கொயர் ரிமூவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பண்ணும்போது திஸ் வேல்யூ 1 root of 10 power minus 19 அப்படிங்கிறத எப்படி ரீட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா ஜஸ்ட் 10 power minus 16 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 16 அப்படிங்கிறத 10 power minus 3 எல்லாம் டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது கீழே வேல்யூ இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு கீழே போது ப்ளஸ்ஸாக மாறிடும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ப்ளஸ் இன்ட்டு மைனஸ் 16 திஸ் வேல்யூ மேலே போது ப்ளஸ் 16 minus 16 ப்ளஸ் 3 எடுக்கும்போது minus 13. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் திஸ் வேல்யூ இஸ் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணும்போது திஸ் வேல்யூ இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Next one, the properties of electromagnetic waves. The waves உடைய properties remove. First, electromagnetic waves are produced by accelerated charges. ஒரு சார்ஜ் பார்ட்டிகல்ஸை வந்து ஆக்சிலேட் பண்ணும்போது எலக்ட்ரோமேக்னெட்டிக் வேவ்ஸ் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகுது. They do not require any material of the medium of propagation. travel பண்ணுறதுக்கு there is no medium தேவையில்லை. In an electromagnetic waves, electric and magnetic fields vectors right angle to each other onto the direction of propagation. Actually அந்த propagation வந்து இது electromagnetic transfer in nature. The variation of maximum and minimum electric and magnetic field occurs simultaneously. Sometimes electric field maximum இருக்கும்போது maximum ஆகும், magnetic maximum இருக்கும்போது minimum இருக்கும்போது மாதிரி alternately ஒன்று maximum ஒன்று minimum alternative simultaneously change ஆகுது. They travel in vacuum or free space with a velocity 3 × 10⁸ meter per second given by the relation c is equal to 1/√μ0 epsilon naught. The speed of electromagnetic waves. Mu0 is the permeability of medium. Epsilon is the permittivity of free space. Okay, next, the energy in an electromagnetic wave is equally divided between electric and magnetic field vectors. The electromagnetic waves being chargeless, electromagnetic waves அப்படிங்கிறது chargeless உள்ளது. They actually are not affected or deflected by electric and magnetic field. These characteristics are electromagnetic waves. The full electromagnetic waves characteristics. Next one, the graphical representation. Let us consider how to draw the electromagnetic waves. According to Maxwell, an accelerated charge is a source of electromagnetic radiation. In an electromagnetic wave, there are 3 x, y, z and 3 functions. Okay, electric and magnetic field vectors are right angle to each other and both are right angle to the direction of propagation. They possess the wave characters propagate through free space without any material of medium. These waves are transverse in nature. Okay, next, electric field E along the y direction, magnetic field along the b direction. Next, under the propagation of in x direction. Is the direction the wave propagation in x direction. Let us consider 3 wave functions. Y direction electromagnetic waves and x direction electric waves. Okay, next producing electromagnetic waves are traveling x direction. Here electric field along y direction, magnetic field along b direction, magnetic field along z direction. Okay, next, electromagnetic waves traveling x direction. Let us consider the electromagnetic waves. Thank you.